Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and this release is so exciting. There's pretty much something for everyone in this release. I just gotta show it to you. I gotta stop yakking and just show it to you, right? The first one has been requested quite a bit, which I'm really excited about. It is a church fold it, which is really fun because you know what? It's perfect for a baptism or a dedication or a wedding or any type of churchy thing, right? Which is really fun. Look how cute it is. So it's a church fold it die set, and I have a lot of fun samples. Oh gosh, I'm just going to show you this one right now because look how gorgeous that is. Oh, he is risen. Perfect for Easter even. Look at how beautiful that is with our foil paper. So fun, and there's lots more samples. Next, on the wedding theme is our wedding ring A2 background die. Now, whenever you make a card, I highly, highly recommend you do something in the background, whether it be a background die or it be textured paper or pattern paper or something. It always just adds a little bit more to your card. Example, add a doily in the background. You know how I always like to say, doily, doily. You got to add something in the background. This is perfect because it's so beautiful and it adds that extra touch. Now, those are the wedding, churchy kind of things. We're changing courses and we're going to release, dun, 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 a dinosaur fold it. Now, I'm releasing this dinosaur fold it for no one except my two babies, okay? Because my babies love dinosaurs. They're 2 years old, boys, of course they're going to love dinosaurs. I needed some dinosaur stuff. I have a feeling next year's theme for the birthday party is going to be dinosaurs, so I got to get ready. This is my dinosaur fold it. Now, when you see him, and you might have already seen a sneak peek of this, look at how adorable this one is. Now, the interesting thing about this little dinosaur is it's kind of like a boy, but not really, because look at how cute this one is. So this could easily be for a little girl too. And I almost want to call this dinosaur a girl because she just is so darn cute. Look, you could even add little hearts to her little mouth to make it even a little bit more girly. So adorable. And I have more samples, don't worry. Now, speaking of girls, because we don't want to leave the girls out, because if you think the dinosaur is just for boys, which I don't think it is, now we have to add some girls. So the Triceratops was for Liam and Miller. This one is for my youngest daughter, Katie. Dun, 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 dun. Katie Peep. Katie, little peep Katie. Finally, she is here with her cute little pigtails. My Katie always used to wear pigtails as a little girl, and so I always think of her as wearing pigtails. She was wearing pigtails the day she discovered her shadow, and she kept shaking her head, and the pigtail shadow would keep moving. So that's just a fond memory that I have. But here we have, let's go to the beach. Be kind, be you, be fearless, woohoo. She's got a cute little bathing suit. Now, guess what? This bathing suit, yes it will. It'll fit our giraffe, it'll fit our bunny, it'll fit our lamb, it'll fit all of our little other peeps. They all coordinate together. Here's a cute little beach pail and a little shovel. And of course we all have the dies that match. Now, let's just jump in and go look at our samples because I have tons to share. So here's a cute example of our little church fold it, which I absolutely love. And then let's move over to this one because I like you to see different options just so you can see. Look at that. Totally different, but absolutely beautiful. I love them. Now, look at how fun this is. You can even just do it on top of a card. This is on a 5x7 card, which is really fun. Here it is on an A2 sized card. So the choice is yours. Look how fun that is with the backgrounds. Always take a look at the backgrounds because the backgrounds really add to the card. Here's a gorgeous one, Wish Big. Open it up. You got your little message on there. Isn't that beautiful? Here's a church fold it with pattern paper. So simple. It can be so simple and still so stunning, right? Now, look at this. Look how fun that is with that background. You don't notice it right off the bat, but it adds that texture. It adds that extra oomph that a card might need, right? Here's another one. Look, oops, upside down. So look at that. And of course, wedding ring, because this is the wedding ring quilt pattern. So isn't that appropriate to have that sewing machine on there? Now there's other options to use as well. Here's a cute one, happy birthday. Isn't that beautiful? I'm sorry, happy anniversary. Here's one, hello. Look at that. It just adds, imagine this card without that background. The background just totally makes the card, doesn't it? Oh, look at that one. Foil. I'm telling you guys, that foil cardstock is absolutely amazing with those beautiful flowers on there. Here's another one, Happy Anniversary. So, so pretty. Okay, let's look at some Katies. Are you ready? Look at how cute this one is with her little friend, Beach. Let's go to the beach. I say that almost every day. I want to go to the beach. I miss the beach. I love the beach. Look how cute this one is with little Miller. Let's go to the beach. So cute. Here's another one. Let's go to the beach. Now, you don't have to do just beach cards. Oh, but that one has the cute little surfboard. If you don't have that surfboard, you might want to grab that one. Here's another one. The team really liked that one. Let's go to the beach. They use that one over and over again. Let's see. Here's another one. Woohoo! With our cute little sandcastle. Look how cute our little Katie girl is there. Let's go to the beach. Now, I like to also show different options for different Katies because my Katie is blonde. Well, she used to be, well, I don't know what she is originally now. But look at all the different options you have there. She can be any color hair, any skin tone, anything you want. Here's a cute one, Be Kind, on one of our A1 cards. Absolutely loves it. Love it. Here's one, Let's go to the beach with her cute little swimsuit on with our palm tree. Be fearless, be kind, be you. With a different dress. I think that comes in the lamb or the bunny. But see, perfect example of you can mix and match. Now, are you ready? It's time to roar. Get your roaring voices on because dun 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 dun, Triceratops. Now, look at this. You can also make it a banner. Look at that. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Same die, you guys. Look, that's the same die. Totally different look. Also, how cute is it on a slimline card? In felt, you can cut it with felt. Look at that, sending big birthday wishes. Isn't that fantastic? I love it. Oh, and then here's some card-shaped ones. So here's a cute yellow one with a little flower. Here's a cute one, just general. And then look at that one. Oh, one with Katie. Lots of different options with the same die. So you're not gonna just make one of these and say, okay, what else can I do with it? No, no, no. You have so many different options just by changing the colors and the theme, which is really fun. Here's another one, absolutely stunning. Look at this, birthday hugs with our double Z card. Does that just knock your socks off? Look at that. Imagine going to a birthday party and giving the birthday child this card with your gift. You know the mom's not even gonna look at the gift. She's gonna see this card and you're gonna knock her socks off right there, right? I mean, look at how beautiful that is. Birthday hugs, so fun. With our little baby Triceratops and the big Triceratops, so fun. Club members, come on, we all know. You're getting 15 to 20% discount off of everything on our website, including flash sale prices. So if you get in on those flash sale prices, you are double dipping on those discounts and earning club points on top of that. It's awesome. If you're not in the club, I just don't know what to tell you. $13.99 a month, that's it. And that includes a stamp set each month. And then you're getting the discounts on top of the flash sales and the club points and the anniversary gifts and all the fun freebies. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'm gonna see you there. Bye-bye.